What's going on, guys? I just want to do my intro video into Area Styrene's motorcycle group build. I was kind of rummaging through the stash here and seeing what I had, and I got a couple Harley Davidsons I'd like to build, and looking through them, and unfortunately the decals in all of them are junk. Well, that's no good. So I stumbled across this one. Actually, I forgot I had this. Yeah, that'll do. That's the ticket right there. And like I said, I just dug this one out. I'm pretty sure everything is unstarted in here. I had this one for, like I said, quite a while. Don't even remember where I got it from or who I got it from. Oh, look here. A bonus. We got some paint in there. Boyd enamel. Bright green. I'll be damned. So yeah, everything is looks to be the only thing that might be together. Like I said, I don't even remember where I even got this thing from. Ah, look at there. Another bonus. X-Acto knife. I'll be damned. There's the decals for it. Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? But anyhow, there it is, guys. Motorcycle group build.